Hi everyone. So a client reached out to me regarding the Tutor LMS. The course page is not loading. Everything was showing blank. Though I fixed it. So I just feel like okay, let me just do this tutorial. Probably it might be helpful for someone in the future. So what I actually have done a lot of things, and what comes to my mind last, okay, let me just update the plugin for Tutor LMS. So I update the free plugin. So although the free plugin is updated, why the premium have to go to the Tutor LMS dashboard, download the premium. So we have a paid version, and I update. So what actually works is that I update my the premium plugin, so that works for me. So let me go back here. So here is how it is. Before it, everything was blank until I updated the premium plugin. So if I move to another page now, so I move to the assignments, you will see text. Before everything was blank, was white. This is how it was when the client reached out to me. But now it has been fixed. So thank you. So you found this. If this thing worked for you, kindly comment in the comment section. Drop something in the comment section. And if another method works for you regarding this kind of error, comment in the comment section. So let's see how you fix it too. Thank you so much for your time.